How advertisements are competing for every second of your attention. Have you ever wondered why we pay attention to ads? How they are strategically timed by smart marketing analysts and researchers. Is advertisement industry getting too creepy? Before we share how advertisements are finding their way to reach us by competing smartly, here are 5 facts about advertisement that probably no one told you about. While creating the watch's commercial, the arrows on them always show either 1010 or 820. Primarily, it is done in order not to cover the brand's name. Besides, arrows positioned in that way seem like a smile, so they can have a positive effect on a customer. Every year companies spend more than $500 billion on advertising. The average person gets bombarded with over 1,700 banner ads per month, but only sees half of them. 49% of consumers say they would like to receive promotional emails from their favorite brands on a weekly basis. The average child in America watches over 40,000 television commercials in a year, or over 100 a day. So, have you ever wondered, why do we pay attention to ads? Of course we don't search for them, or we don't unlock our phones thinking let's watch a commercial. How do they find their way to reach us? And why do we still see them, when we don't intend to initially? Did you know 200 advertisers in the United States spent a record $137.8 billion on advertising in 2014? That's right, top companies have huge budgets for marketing that part of their product cost. Without this they don't launch their products into the market, as organic growth is not only slow but also doesn't reach the widespread population easily. Advertisement platforms offer pay-per-click system for advertisement, meaning companies can target a keyword that you search to bring you on their website. Generally many such companies are targeting that and other similar words to bring you to them. To handle such demand of different companies, there is price for each word you advertise. Every time a potential buyer clicks that ad of company, platform makes money. Companies are bidding on keywords, where one with higher bid gets the traffic. A bid represents the amount of money a company is willing to spend for a single click on a given keyword in Google Ads. Those bids will dictate where your ads show up in search results. Advertisements are a hack not only for big companies, but small businesses who are less known in the market can almost instantly release a product overnight by putting considerable budget in advertisements. Companies are making ads more and more attractive, using memes to join hands with the community. They use viral content to streamline in such a way that along with entertaining us, it also promotes their product. We as humans are content hungry. Every time we see some cat falling in water or a kid's funny video, there is a small reward of dopamine we get in our brains. These rewards keep us going for more and scroll for more such content. This is exactly where companies tap into and find a smooth way to slide their banner or short clip grabbing our attention. The advertising companies spend billions on research to know their ads' capabilities. For example, they record participants' faces while showing them the ad, and use an algorithm to measure their facial reaction. They gauge the time and intensity of emotional engagement each ad elicited. Such techniques make ads more catchy and attractive, leading us to stick to ads instead of changing the channel or skipping the ad. Advertising companies research and find out strategically the best spot to place an ad. Physical hoarding can be seen everywhere from highways to walls of buildings. They are strategically positioned and are in bright colors, to grab your eye. Digital ads are strategically shown on the peak of a video or an app. For example, you must have noticed a full-screen ad pops up when you select a level in the game. Now at this time, you won't want to quit thinking, 5 seconds of clip going to harm me. An average US consumer sees upward of 5,000 ads per day. Let's assume if he spent only 1 second on one ad, then the total comes out to 1 hour 20 minutes just watching ad every day. People don't ever mind being interrupted if the ad's message is interesting to them. For marketing departments, personalization is a strategy that increases relevance and engagement. So how do they personalize ads for you? They know where you are. Smartphones are tracking where you go, along with the duration and frequency of the visits. They know what you like. They run algorithms on your purchase history and your shopping preferences. Your credit card transactions help them make personalized models to know which day of week or part of the month you are more actively shopping. There are many more such smart tactics they adopt to mine every bit of your data and create targeted personalized ads for you, so you are more likely to buy their product. However, there is no need to panic. We have curated some tips to avoid these targeted ads. If you follow these, you can protect yourself from targeted ads. If you clear your cookies on your web browser, companies will find it harder to track you. Your browsing history is used to create information about you that advertisers then use to target you with ads. You can view this information using Google's My Activity tool and see what information the search giant has gathered of you. Web browsers let you install add-ons that block ads, such as uBlock Origin for browsers and OneBlockerX for iPhones. Firefox Focus, DuckDuckGo and Opera offer browsers that have built-in ad blocking. If you want to search for something without being tracked, these are the web browsers to use. In addition, Google Chrome offers incognito windows you can open to browse the web anonymously. Use a track blocker. Tracker blockers prevent Snoopy code from loading on websites on both desktop and mobile, such as disconnect.me. Opt out of interest-based advertising. There is a way to opt out of interest-based advertising, so that all those likes you make on social media aren't used to provide you with ads. Advertising is facing the dawn of a new era. Online ads proliferate and attract more and more of the advertising budget. Data has evolved into the new advertising gold and is a game changer for processes and targeting, alongside ad tech. New advertising heavyweights have sprung up, while long-established stakeholders are losing in importance. This transition is structural and looks set to continue. The key question is not whether advertising will change, but how radically it will do so. Comment how you feel about the future of advertisement. If you liked our video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.